Well, hello guys, it's Robin Norgret, and I am here with a bonus video on from my series, The Herbs That You Can Find in Your Kitchen Right Now. Herbs and other things in your kitchen right now that you can turn from just a simple herb that seasons your food to an herbal medicine. So I've already talked about 9 of them. Make sure and look down in the show notes for all of those videos. And I'll list it over here on the screen, which ones I've done so far. But I wanted to come back with a bonus episode with some other useful kitchen herbs and spices that might be intriguing for you to check out. Now, as I told you, I'm a beginner as far as trying to, sorry, my hair's driving me crazy. Beginning this adventure of learning about herbal medicine, trying to navigate my way into this world of overwhelm when it comes to herbs, and trying to do it in a very methodical way. And so I am using the book, Rosemary Gladstar's Medicinal Herbs, A Beginner's Guide. I will put the information down below. I wanted to come back, though, with a bonus video to tell you about 8 more herbs or spices that you should take a chance and check it out. And I will write about these on my blog very soon. But here are the 8 herbs. Well, actually, the first one is not an herb. It is called arugula. So arugula is nutrient dense, which we know that. It contains high levels of iron, calcium, magnesium, and trace minerals. It has a sophisticated, hot, almost bitter flavor that might take some getting used to, but this is a green worth knowing. Now, what's funny about reading that is actually arugula is my favorite dark green. So it's so funny to hear it being described as having a bitter taste, because I actually think it's got more of a nutty taste, I would say. Comment down below what you think about that as an herb or as a leafy, dark leafy green, because many people go to spinach first. I really do attempt kale, and I have had my share of kale chips, which I love. You know, when you get it right, it's spot on. But arugula actually is my go-to dark green. All right, here's another one, black pepper. Again, in everybody's kitchen. One of the great tonics in traditional Chinese medicine, black pepper is warm and energizing and stimulating. It is indicated for cold-type problems such as flus, coughs, cold, poor circulation, or poor digestion. So we've got arugula and we've got black pepper. Number 3 is cardamom, with a divinely sensual flavor. Cardamom belongs to the same esteemed flavor as family as ginger and turmeric. It stimulates the mind and arouses the senses. In Ayurvedic medicine, it is considered one of the safest and most digestive aids. Cardamom. Now, how I was introduced to cardamom is actually I was and I might even put that down below. I was really into smoothies for a while, but I felt like I kept making the same kind of smoothie, and I really wanted to branch out. So, you know how those internet ads come up. There was something on Instagram that came up that was like 30 days worth of smoothies, and it was all different kinds. Well, one of the smoothies, and I'll put the recipe down below, had cardamom in it. So it was my first introduction to cardamom, and I haven't known how to use it since then, but actually I do still put it in that particular smoothie when I make it. So number 4 is clove. Now, clove has long been used to relieve the pain of toothache and oral infection. Its essential oil contains high levels of acetyluginol, a powerful antiseptic and antispasmodic. Clove also has antifungal properties and is often used in antifungal remedies. Okay, good to know. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Number 5 is dill. Dill is an effective and well-known remedy for digestive complaints, gas, and hiccups. Dill has powerful antispasmodic properties, and at one time it was most well known as an herb for soothing colicky babies. Now, I put dill in my potato salad, so that's how I'm familiar with dill. But again, another interesting way to use dill. Number 6, so maybe I have 9. Number 6 is horseradish. The author says it's her number 1 favorite remedy for sinus congestion and head colds. It says the root is rich in minerals as well as vitamins, including vitamin C. Its warming antiseptic properties make it the herb of choice for treating asthma, lung infections, and other congestive conditions. So horseradish. The next one, and we've got it connected, marjoram or oregano. Both marjoram and oregano are used to relieve nervousness, irritability, and insomnia due to tension and anxiety. They are both antiseptic and disinfectant herbs that effectively fight bacterial and viral infections. Man, I can't wait to do my research on these recipes. Next one is mint. Mint. Most mints are rich in essential oils, vitamin C, beta-carotene, and chlorophyll. They are generally excellent antispasmodics and are useful for preventing cramps and muscle spasms. Lots of lemonade, I think, has mint in it. Lastly, parsley. Rich in iron, beta-carotene, chlorophyll, and many other vitamins and minerals, parsley is used to treat iron deficiency, anemia, and fatigue. A primary herb for bladder and kidney problems, it is a safe and effective diuretic. It can help to dry up a mother's milk during the weaning process and is effective as a poultice for swollen, enlarged breasts. Of course, if a nursing mother does not want to decrease her milk supply, she should not consume parsley. Now, again, one of those things where what you don't know until you know, right? As a kid, I've always thought of parsley as a garnish that is not necessarily consumed. So to find that actually it has so many wonderful healing properties, again, it's mind-blowing and mind-changing, and ultimately it is life-changing. All right, so thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure and look at all the videos. So we have a total of 10 videos in this series, and I will have my link down below with the blog for all of the recipes that I'm gathering. And again, if there's anything that you want me to cover on this channel, please make sure and comment down below, and of course like, subscribe, and share if this is something that you were interested in. Thank you so much for stopping by.